students, welcome back to our channel Global Education Overseas. Today we will talk about the sensitive issue of suicides related to NEET. The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET for undergraduate students is a highly competitive examination conducted by the National Testing Agency for admission to medical schools in India. On 12th of September 2021, NEET was conducted. A total of 16.14 lakh candidates had appeared. As per 2021 analysis, there are approximately 42,000 government medical seats. That is only 2 to 3% who are able to get medical seats all over India. In 2020, government medical cutoff was over 600 over 720, despite of the qualifying marks stated 147 over 720 for general and 113 over 720 for reserved. So the bracket between the above score, that is 97 to 98% students, encountered the barrier of donation for private medical colleges, which is approx 1 to 1.5 CR. For MBBS, given the amount, it is not possible for everyone to afford such costly education. For the students who wish to become a doctor, they are only left with last option, that is repeating their NEET exam over. The last resource appearing is disheartening for students even after achieving qualifying marks in the exam. The pressure of being a bright student yet spending another year for entrance shatters the self-confidence and esteem. They start doubting themselves. Yet they thrive for their dream. They reappear in the light of their dream with hope in the eyes. Even after the second and the third attempt, it becomes impossible for any person to sustain internal motivation. In a moment when they feel weak and built up frustration bursts leading to take one's own life. In that moment, a precious life is gone for the parents, nation and the world. Example, a girl student, Kanimoski, a daughter of advocate who had scored 562 out of 600 marks in Tamil Nadu Plus 2 examination, committed suicide, reportedly on the fear that she will not be able to perform well in the NEET exam. Before getting the results, she had full family support. This is just one student. According to reports 2020, 13 students committed suicide related to NEET. In 2021, 3 students took their own life in just 4 days of examination. Despite the number, there are many unreported deaths. This is how badly it is affecting us and the youth of the nation. From the above facts, it is an evidence that NEET is highly competitive exam itself. Moreover, the uncertainty over reappear and securing 2 to 3% bracket evokes anxiety and also affects the preparedness to face challenges. The inability to handle performance pressure, meet parental expectations and achieve aspirations may lead to different psychological distress.
Global Education Overseas says that don't stop until you are proud. Global Education Overseas says that every life is very precious, so don't lose your hopes. You can still become a doctor. If you believe in your dream, if you really want to become a doctor, then the entire world is open for you. You can have your MBBS from any country in the world. Global Education Overseas always stand with your dream. Global Education Overseas support you to achieve your dream to become a doctor.
Global Education Overseas says that ending our life is not a solution. Your life doesn't end here. Always ask yourself how you can achieve your dream. If you don't find a solution, you can call and ask us how you can become a doctor with low NEET score.
Global Education Overseas says that if plan doesn't work, change the plan, never the goals. You always have another route to have success. Students, if you are expecting low NEET score, do not lose hope to become a doctor. You can still become a doctor with a qualifying score. According to the 2020 analysis, the student for general category, they can have 147 and students for the reserve category, they can have 113 marks. With these qualifying scores, you can have admission in the government universities of abroad. So, the utmost thing I want to tell you that students do not lose the hope because Global Education Overseas is going to help you in the entire process from admission till licensing.
Global Education Overseas says that when you feel like quitting, think why you started. Never give up on your childhood dream of becoming a doctor. Global Education Overseas will always stand for you. Whenever you find trouble in achieving your dream to become a doctor, you can always call us. There are so many ways to achieve your dream, and you can pursue MBBS from all over the world, and you can come back to India and practice as a doctor as you always dreamt of. There are thousands of doctors who have done their MBBS from abroad and they are practicing as a doctor in our country. Don't give up. We are just a call away from you.
So, there are many ways to solve any problem. You should always look for the light in the dark. This is the way to achieve success in life. We appreciate your efforts, understand your pressure, and support your journey. We will always be there wherever you feel stuck. Global Education Overseas will always support you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any latest updates.